This is not a robot cleaner, but a smart lawnmower, the Sunseeker Elite X5. And if you love tech and gardening just like me, then stick around till the end of the video, because it has no more wires, no more boundaries to install, just pure smart mowing. I'll show you how it works, the smart features, and why it might be perfect for your garden. Hey there, it's me, Martijn, and let's get started. So I have to be honest, this is the very first robotic lawnmower I've tested here on this channel, and it was only made possible thanks to the collaboration with Sunseeker. The Elite X5 is a fully cordless robotic mower with a smart navigation system. It uses an app where you can set virtual boundaries, so no wires needed. In my case, the lawn runs right up to the tiles and a planter made out of stone blocks. In the past I saw people using physical boundary wire there, or just hope the robot gets it, but here you just draw a line in the app and you're done. No hassle, no weird half circles around the edge. You can also activate AI-assisted mapping, where the robot learns your lawn, making mowing even easier with less manual work. And if you have multiple zones, you can create a corridor between them, so the robot will go by itself to the new location. You can also set no-go zones in case you have sensitive areas like flower beds or ponds. The Elite X5 also features AO Navi positioning, combining real-time kinematic satellite positioning with visual simultaneous localization and mapping. It's a mouthful, but it basically means that the robot knows exactly where it is positioned, and it doesn't matter if it's in dense shade or there are some trees, it just finds its way. I honestly thought GPS wouldn't work well in our garden because first of all, we have a relatively small garden, and secondly, this huge canopy that I'm sitting right below. But surprisingly, it stays on track and it goes into perfectly straight lines. And thanks to Vision AI, it detects and avoids obstacles every single time. Pets, kids' toys or garden furniture won't stop it. It plans efficient routes, avoiding repeated or missed patches, so your lawn looks perfectly even. The mower has all-wheel drive, so it handles uneven or rough terrain with ease. It should on paper handle climbs up to 30 degrees, but even though I don't have any hills over here, I still want to show you how strong and powerful the motor is, because I've tied 6 kilograms of weight behind the mower, and as you can see, it tows this without any problem. Underneath, the floating blade system ensures smooth cutting and great maneuverability. It cuts in strips up to 22 centimeters wide and lets you set cutting height between 20 and 60 millimeters, so you get precise lawn care. It recharges itself automatically, which is great if you have a huge garden that can't be mowed on one battery. Moreover, it connects wirelessly to the Sunseeker app, which shows you exactly how long it's been mowing, where it has and hasn't been, and even notifies you when it's done or stuck. Now to continue, the app isn't just for monitoring, you can also set up a mowing schedule in just a few taps. It's super intuitive. You can choose which days and times the mower should start, and even assign different schedules to different zones. And good to know, after the latest over-the-air update, the number of zones for multi-zone management has been increased from 8 to unlimited. Basically, you can control it anytime, anywhere. And yep, it even connects to Google Home and Alexa, so you can just say, "Hey Google, go mow my grass." And good to know, the design is waterproof, so you can clean it fast and safely after use. It also has rain detection, which is great, especially if you live in the Netherlands, so it passes mowing automatically. Lastly, there are over-the-air updates to keep improving the device. The Elite X5 is built with safety in mind. The moment you pick up or tilt or lift, the blades automatically stop spinning, protecting kids and pets around the mower. Nyla, our dog, doesn't really care about anything. So it's good that the sensors make sure it doesn't get too close to animals or people, making it kid and pet friendly. So let's not forget that thanks to the 3 sharp blades and the high performance permanent magnet motor, the cutting results are consistently impressive. Let's quickly go over the unboxing so you know what to expect when you decide to buy or order one. So in the box you've got of course the robot itself, but you also got a docking station, the paperwork and a lot of accessories that help you to clean or maintain the robot. So that's the Elite X5. If you've got a garden of, let's say, over 100 square meters, this one can definitely save you a lot of time. If it's smaller, it's more like a luxury gadget, but it definitely delivers. For my small plot of grass, it's definitely overkill, but it's the technology that got me super excited to test this one out. The nice side effect is that it offers me more time to enjoy the garden and spending time with the family. In my eyes, your land should be at least 4 times as big as mine in order to use most of the Elite X5 its benefits. But it's a helping hand for sure. Got any questions about the Elite X5? Drop them below and I'll try to answer as many as possible. But at the same time also curious about what's your smart garden setup. Let us know in the comments too. Anyways, that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. So give it a like if you did so and consider subscribing so that I see you in the next one.